Hi developers, welcome to my Pishahatulalar channel. Today's topic is about how to download the SQL and how to connect the server. First of all, in order to install the SQL, you have to type the install SQL in Chrome. Now you will find the SQL Server download link here. Please click the download button here. Then you will find the SQL Server 2025 Express. Download this by clicking this button. Okay. Download this and save it. When you install that SQL, then you will find the SQL like this. In order to connect the SQL, you have to click this button, connect. Now, there is some issue that how to know the server name. In order to get the server name, we have to type the system information. Okay, then you will find the system name here. Please copy this, paste here, choose the window authentication and click this trust server certificate, connect. Whoa, we have connect the SQL. I hope you have enjoyed my video. So I will see you in my next video. Thank you.